The Golden Axe and Gia. Once upon a time, in the enchanting mountains surrounded by lush green forest, there lived a single man who resided alone in his humble abode. He had been unsuccessful searching for a life partner for quite some time. One sunny afternoon, as single man sat outside, contemplating life and yearning for a cup of tea.
Oh, hang the tea, rock ribo joy, sita. Ay, exactly po leho. Single lang po siksak, pick girlfriend at silong dun tek tema. Ay, tema, nang we, sa chudang lok pada tenga be. Oh, dam nang po, ano? Ay.
He realized that he had run of firewood. He grabbed his trusty axe and set off into the nearby jungle in search of firewood. Every time he ventured out, mischievous village children would taunt him about his single status.
Hey, go Marley, chola kang tuwa daga. Era sumaru, dario, what do it that? Era sumaru ge.
Biar sarura back to logo na, ha? Oi go. No ala na single lang na GF ta belang bu.
Ning hang lo ko laga, duri ho.
Na ning hang ni paro lum la chok to. Single lang go.
Nang girlfriend to ma konta na.
Ni girlfriend do bhai ni ke timum pita do sinar pita do teram pita do hansi pita asalali ni ke.
Duri sumaru apo na pana pasik sa kare damda.
Kusra pichiri no pachu na nang beham abi ke chong udam bang lo bu.
Nang ning je tabri ko de lai.
Yaar sar bura ke single lang ko. Single